Hello again. I'm back in the bathroom 3 and I'm about to stub out the vanity hot and cold and the toilet line. Um, Hopefully I won't have any issues. I'm using this HoldRite. I'm using this HoldRite system to install it. So here it is, HoldRite in the bracket. So the way these work are you nail this to the wall and this sticks through and locks in, and then the PEX piping actually goes into this, and that way you don't have to do the blocking that goes behind the stuff normally, and you also don't have to do the elbows. So you would normally have to do an elbow on each one, which will mean 4 crimps with the crimpler and the rings. This way, you don't have to use the rings or the elbows, and it's less chances of a leak. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on. Hopefully, I can get a good shot of it, and so you guys can see how it works. All right, so here's a recap of this bathroom in its current state. Like I said, the kitchen, if you look on this side real quick, that's going to be the kitchen wall. There's some light in there. It's going to be the kitchen wall where the sink is, dishwasher. So that's why there's kitchen water lines on that wall. So if you come back over here, you'll see the refrigerator line, the kitchen sink and dishwasher line, and that is the vanity line I just stubbed out. These are going to be, these right here, they're going to be stubbed out the other way. Um, so on this side, you got the old toilet supply line. So we're running all new lines. So that's the new supply line. I know you're supposed to take all the old supply lines out first, but we'll get to it. It's not really a wrong way to do it, but I know I'll get dinged for that by some people. Um, Shower supply lines, cut the hole for the shower pan and dry fitted. And the bathroom is pretty much all plumbed out. I just have to build this wall up from right here. I haven't decided if I wanted to be a half wall or actually go all the way up to the ceiling. So it's just a whole wall. Half walls make the bathroom feel a lot more open, but full walls are easier to build. With a half wall, I have to cut a little bit of the floor out and go underneath right there because you have to fasten and make the wall strong. So I haven't decided if I want to do that yet. I'll probably just end up going all the way up. But half walls are very nice to make a bathroom feel feel larger. And this is the bathroom that people will be using when they come, like if they're visitors. This is the common area bathroom, as you call it. So I might make it a half wall just because of that, give it a much larger feel. Um, it's a nice size shower. It's not as big as the other two, but I think it can still fit two people, even though it's not as big as the other two. So that's pretty much it for today. Um, I'll get started on that wall next time. All right, see you later.